Hello everybody, today we make a stuffed shrimp with a crab meat. For the ingredient we got crab meat, shrimp, little breadcrumb, butter, homemade butter, garlic, flake hot pepper, parsley from my garden. I got so many parsley, salt and black pepper. Okay, now let's start prepare the shrimp. What we do, we gotta clean the shrimp. Quarter like this, and I have over here in the back. Take the shell out and leave the tail. Now gets a cut like this. Make sure to go a little bit more deep with a knife, but watch your hands, do not cut your finger, okay? After you do this, you turn the shrimp like this, and you pack and you make butterfly like this. Okay, now make sure to clean the shrimp really good. Take everything out and you gotta wash with the cold water. Okay, now we start with the stuffed for the shrimp. I got the crab meat over here. And what I do, I got only 6. And this, I think, this one, it's enough. Okay, I don't want to use too much, it gets a lot. Now what I do, I put a little parsley. Give a nice color. Now I got the flake hot pepper. I like a little spice, the stuff. Now we got the garlic. And I want to squeeze the garlic. Since you chop, the garlic it's a little big. Cause the shrimp you gotta stay in the oven only for 13 or 14 minutes. That's it. And I wanted the garlic to cook inside. And I squeeze the garlic. And when you squeeze good. Look how nice it come out. It's a nice squeeze. Good. And I like the stuffed lot of garlic. Because the garlic it give a really good taste. I want to squeeze all this garlic. Okay, and this is done. Okay, now we put a little salt, like this, not too much, and black pepper. Okay, now we need the butter. And I got this butter, and we put it right inside over here. But the butter, I cut it with my finger. And the butter, see, it's soft. It's the room temperature. You take it out of the butter for the refrigerator or the freeze. You take it out of the refrigerator, by a hour it do. But for the freeze, it take a little long. Okay, now we gotta mix this really good. Cause I need the little breadcrumb I use. But I gotta use a little bit, but not maybe all thing. You gotta figure out yourself. So you need or you don't need a lot of breadcrumb. Now we mix this really, really good. Now this is a mix really good. Now to stay together the crab meat, we use a little breadcrumb like this is stick really good. But I don't use all thing. I use a little bit. That's all. And now we mix it again really good because the breadcrumb is stay together. After mix like this, we start to do stuff the shrimp. Okay, now before we start to stuff the shrimp, I want to make sure I do this dish with the butter. Cause like this, the shrimp will not stick on the bottle over here. And you put a little butter. You know, got a butter enough for the, you can use a little oil. It's okay. But you see this? I do like that, and I do like this. And you got a little butter over here, I leave right over here on the dish, like that. And now it's a time to start to stuff the shrimp. Now this it's all mixed already. And let's do like this, I gotta have enough for all 6. Let's do it like this. 1, 2, I want to mix like this. Every shrimp got enough for the stuffed. This when you cook, it's delicious. Okay, now still I got more, but let's start with the shrimp. You do like this. You put it like that, and you put pack really good. You need a little bit more. It's okay. You can put a little bit more. You see what it look like? Just like that. And you put it back on a dish. It's one. Now, to give a nice crust for the shrimp, we put a little breadcrumb on the top like that. Not too much, but only like this. And after, take a little butter and you put one piece like that on the top. Okay, when it melt, it go on the breadcrumb and it look really beautiful. And this, it give a nice color. Now this it's done, and now you gotta go in the oven. Okay, now the oven it's 400 degrees, and we put it right in the oven. 1 and 2. That's it. Let's close the oven and let's wait. When it's ready, I want to do really nice. I got my glass wine already in the glass. It's about 15 minutes. And let's see now the shrimp. Now you see a nice color you got? So you need a little longer. You can keep a little longer. But I like this. Okay, you know want to burn the shrimp. You see the tail? It's a nice color. And the shrimp is ready. And now we bring the shrimp on the table. I can't wait to taste this beautiful shrimp. Look how nice it look. Really, really good. Okay, now it's the time of the test. And look how beautiful it look. Really, really nice. Okay. This is the stove. Make sure it's really hot, huh? It melts in your mouth. Now, the shrimp. Look at this. Look at this. Nice crunchy. It's stuffed. Delicious. And with a glass of wine, nice cold white wine. Really, really good. Salute, chin chin everybody. This dish, it's really good. I want somebody to make it. Let me know. Okay, really good. Salute, chin chin. Thank you so much. Thank you.